Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today I gotta have a conversation with my fellow Infinity brothers, right? I think you guys have been lying. I think you guys been lying to everybody. Guys, I got something to talk to you guys about. You already know what to do? Let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. First thing, if you're part of the Boost in Motion channel, that means you already hit the like button. Thank you guys, please, and I really appreciate if you guys do that. If you are new to this channel, watch this video and watch some other videos. If you enjoy it, hit that like button with the subscribe button and the bell notification. But anyway, guys, I gotta talk to my Infiniti family, right? Because I've been in this community for probably almost 2 decades. I'm getting old, yes, right? And I've been through plenty of Nissan Infiniti vehicles, even though right now I'm in a Mercedes C63. So, but in the last 4 years, 4 to 5 years, a lot of my fellow Nissan Infiniti people, mainly my Infiniti people, ended up getting BMWs. Now, some of you guys that are still Infinitis know what I'm talking about. Your boys, maybe your homegirl, somebody you know that you cool with was part of the crew, and then they just hopped into the BMW family. And I get it, right? We're not always supposed to stay stagnant. It's fine. We're all a little different. That's okay. But I think there's such an anger and envy that goes into some of these other cars, and then y'all end up getting into it. I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, because at the end of the day, I've said in my position, right? I think Q50s are really good cars. I think Infiniti makes good cars, but they are better cars. They handle better and have more luxury. We know this. Me and you know this, right? We understand that, right? But in the last 4 to 5 years, a lot of my hard-hitting Infiniti people end up getting in BMWs, M3s, M4s, and they were some of the top people saying, "Nah, screw those cars." Now, no one gets to go get offended, but I said to myself, I ended up leaving and getting a Mercedes C63. I was looking for a GTR. GTR was like another $25,000 more, and the second car was a Mercedes C63. I never cared to want to drive an M3 or M4. Well, they don't really care about coupes that much, but I never really cared to because it just never really screamed, I want to own this car. Now, I've always respected, I think they make great looking cars. I like the V8. I like the last one, the F80, and even the E46, but just nothing. Just nothing made me says I want to get this car over a naturally aspirated V8 or twin turbo V8 or supercharged, but to each their own, right? And I get it. I get it. So I started looking, right? I was like, let me take a look. Let me see what's available, right? Right? Like what's available to actually purchase. So let's do a quick screen share. And this is for people who might be shopping for an M3. Let me just take a look. So this is what I looked up. I went to Car Gurus. I put in my thing and I looked up nationwide. This is the first year the F82 came out, right? And you can see the prices right around that mid $40,000 territory, right? Rear wheel drive, of course, this car comes and you get it in stick and you get it in 7-speed dual clutch. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But nonetheless, I see the price of these cars. I'm like, yo, these cars are actually pretty quite affordable. $40,000 is about what, a $600 car note if you make decent money. You can definitely drive your dream car. This is still a dream car. This is a dream car of many people, and I really do like the look of it. Personally, I would get not that color. I'm never really a fan of that color, but the red looks really good. But that's dipped. That color is one of the top colors that we usually get because this color is the one that really stand out. About $45,000 for this car. This car looks great. I always love the front hood. I like the body lines, and I love that the rear fenders stick out. I think this car is a really good looking car, right? But I'm gonna say my nonsense. A 6-speed manual too, right? I'm gonna say what I really want to say here, right? I really wish you guys could just stop lying and just say that you really want to get a BMW. Just stop lying to yourself. Because you guys ended up coming from Q50s to M340s. You know what I'm saying? You ended up getting into a BMW regardless. And some of you guys are the hardest advocates. I would never get it, da da da. Like, want to be on a team. Like, stop that. Stop that. If you want to accept it, if you want to be part of that crew, it is what it is, right? But as a person that was part of the Infiniti crew and now I'm in the Mercedes crew, so both ways there's a hate from BMW to Infinitis and then BMW to Mercedes. I'm coming from a place of still there's going to be a back and forth rivalry, right? And I sat there and said to myself, all right, how much M3s are available in the nation right now? I can go pick up a 2015 as 56 results, right? So let me go take a look. How many C63s are available in 2015 on the market? Let's take a quick look and see, right? Because honestly, I really wish that some of you BMW guys went and drove a C63 because I really don't think you guys would have ended up in it. I'm just being honest. But anyways, I looked and I was like, wow, for this specific year, if I want a C63, remember there's a regular C63 and there's a S, right? There's only 11 in the nation. 11 compared to 56. And their average price is very similar, but 72,000 miles for about 44,000, and pretty much there's not really much. They're mostly around the 40s and 50s. And that's it. That's America. That's it. The highest, most expensive one is $62,000 and it has 18,000 miles. It's a 2015, right? And I said to myself, what if I know BMW has a name, but what if because there's not really much C63s, they don't make much name, no one wants to drive it? And I get it. I think the front end of the C63 is a really sexy front end. And I actually rather prefer the front end of a C63 than the BMW. The BMW looks nice, but I think the C63 has a front end. But complete styling from every angle, I think the BMW M3 definitely gets it. It's just the better all around looking car. And I get it for performance that you can actually take it to the track. It's more track focused. Mercedes is making luxury cars with some muscle, right? And BMWs are making, um, I would say, sport orient, at least M3s, track cars with a little bit of luxury. So I get it. We're definitely going two different directions with it. But nonetheless, I just really honestly wish that some people would come to the Mercedes platform. I'm being honest. Like, I'm being honest because the people I know who just have Infinitis and they got Mercedes, they're like, nah, this is different level. And then the people who get BMWs like, this is different level too. And I get it. But having driven BMWs, I might end up in an M5 one day or F80, say no video. But it's just not it's not giving it to me. I think the cars don't have enough character for me personally. I don't think it has enough character. When I drive that C63, everyone freaking knows. When I come through, it is like respect. When I pull up, people move out the way. Not saying the BMW doesn't demand that same respect. It's just that M3s, M4s, they're dope cars. Matter of fact, because we're still on video, let's take a quick look, right? Let's see how much M4s are available, right? In the nation. Let's switch to M4. Let's see. If we wanted to get an M4 right now, 2015, um, so it's only 2015. 2015 M4. How much are available in the nation? There's 139 M4s available. Holy crap. That's a lot. There's 139. They're available. You guys could definitely get these cars. And these prices start from right around the 40s, 40,000. There's some for 37. That's really affordable. 56,000 miles. It's a lot more affordable. I see why you BMW. I mean, you Infiniti guys hopping in BMWs. It's a lot more affordable. Look what I can hop in. 38,000. I mean, the title might not be clean, but most of you guys are not gonna care about the title. Some of you guys really don't. You just want to get in a BMW really bad and deal with the crank hub issue. But still, 6 owners though. 6 owners. Is that y'all want this car that bad to have 6 owners? Holy crap. What the hell? Wow. But 139 are available, right? Let's see where the C63 is with this, right? Remember, the C63 has the coupe and the sedan. So in 2015, they actually didn't make any coupes. It was a weird year where they only made sedans in the sedan and the W205, and in 2016 is when they started making the coupes. wait, yeah. So let's switch over to 2016, and we're gonna look for the C63 S and S is so C63 coupes. Bear with me, guys. Just help. Whoa, this is not. Wait, what? There's none available. Get out of here. Let me screen share this, guys. Bear with me. If you made it to this part, thank you for hanging out with your boy Boost. I don't even know what video I'm making at this point, but if you guys are in the market for a C63 or an M3, yo, there's way more BMWs than there is Mercedes. I see why you guys are hopping in BMWs. Like, they're way more available. It's like me getting a C63. It's like, it's only a few of them. There's really no coupes. Because this is a C63 S 2016. And those are all sedans. There's no coupes. Yo, I can't believe this. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying to do a screen share and actually show it, but there are no 2016 coupes at all. What? All right, so let's move to 2017. There has to be coupes in the 2017. Come on. Nah, man. Something's wrong here. What did I do wrong? There's okay. Boom. Take it off of that. Now there's a coupe that popped up. There's 4. If you wanted a 2017 C63, 2 years later after 2015, you have to shell out $55,000 or more. That's a lot. But why isn't there any 2016s? There's none for sale in the whole nation. Get out of here. Wow. I see why. Honestly, I see why as a C63 owner, how when I go to certain places with the car, it gets more eyes for it. It gets a bit more respect. Not playing BMWs. I'm just saying, like, there's way more M3 M4s than there is C63s. Way more. They're way more common. It's like, I hate to say it, like M3s and M4s are like usually people after leaving like getting those cars, they end up getting like a Porsche or something. Usually a way into like a more track focused car. But Lord, I did not know there was literally like none. There's literally none, no C63Ss in the coupes. You have the 2017. This is why these cars are more common, right? Man, I'm shocked, guys. I'm literally shocked. You know what? Let's be fair. I went to 2017 C63S coupe. So let's go to the M4 and let's get a 2017 and see what those prices are. To be fair, and it's a good way to make a good uh okay, so what's the pricing here? Okay, let's go to lowest pricing. There's 37 available versus the 4 or 3 that I saw for the 2017 C63 coupes. And these prices are right around the same, $50,000. Well, this one's low, 43. You could get this one in Hollis, New York for 43,000. 44. So yeah, the 2017 started off a lot cheaper. I just see why you guys get BMWs. They're way more cheaper to get. You get a 2017 with 43,000 miles for 46K. So get a C63, you have to find one, and it's another 10 to 15K. What? All right, that's it. There's no more arguments here. The reason why you guys are getting BMW M cars is because they're cheaper. Don't beat me up, guys. I'm just saying, like, they're cheaper. Like, they're cheaper to get. They're way cheaper. Like, I remember when I was shopping for an M3 or M4 like 2-3 years ago. You guys remember? It was like $41,000. And that was like in 2019 for like a 2015, 2016. It's way more affordable. And these are inflated prices lately. So that means these cars would be even cheaper if it wasn't for the beer virus going around. These cars would be cheap. These are inflated prices right now because the supply chain all is BS. Man. All right. Outside of that, guys, I just wanted to show the comparison and just talk to you guys. Like, you guys, Infiniti guys been lying. Like, just say y'all like the BMW. Stop all this hate stuff. You guys are getting into these cars because y'all like them, and it's okay. Accept it. Don't act like y'all really hate BMWs. Y'all really don't, because they end up in M cars regardless. So outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Oh, I didn't even do a screen share. What? I'm sorry. I'm over here talking to myself. Dan, I got to do a screen share. Yes. Look at this, 43,000 miles. These are the cars that you guys want to get. Once again, $43,000. A big difference in price. Huge difference in price. 37 available. Look at these prices. A lot more affordable. 61,000 from 44. This one probably has like 7,000 owners. Like, it is what it is. How much owners it got though? 2 owners. That's not that bad. But outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you for banging with your boy Boost. I really appreciate you guys. Hit the like button if you already haven't hit the like button. And if you didn't like the video, still hit the dislike button and comment below and tell me what I'm doing wrong. I mean, hey, you might think I'm a BMW hater, but I get the hate when I have my Q50, my G, my Maxima, and my C63 from the BMW crew. So it is what it is. So outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some BoostinMotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel.